Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about Mercury retrograde. You may have asked yourself at one time or another, what does Mercury retrograde mean? Well, Mercury retrograde is when the planet Mercury appears to slow down, go backwards in the sky, slow down and begin to move forward again. Now this is only an optical illusion that happens 3 to 4 times every year for about 3 weeks each time. Mercury retrograde is an actual real physical phenomenon, and it's recognized by astronomers and astrophysicists, but the planet itself does not actually move backwards. Again, it is only an optical illusion. Mercury retrograde is what astrologers refer to as a transit, and it is a classic example of astrology in its simplest form. It is said in ancient times that the planets in the sky affect us here on Earth, as above, so below. This is a pattern in astrology and your personal energies in your horoscope. A retrograde phase is a time when the planet is draining energy and the essence of Mercury is sort of hindered or held back. The energy is not really strong or true. It's kind of wonky. So many times the information is, during a cycle of Mercury retrograde, is temporarily misunderstood, garbled up, or jumbled up. The planet Mercury takes approximately 88 days to travel through the 12 signs of the zodiac. And in relation to astrology, Mercury is the ruling planet of the zodiac signs of Virgo and Gemini, which represent all forms of communication, speech, reasoning, travel and writing, and many other things. Mercury also rules over technology, electronics, social media, music, and short trips. All the planets go in a retrograde motion during their transits through our solar system, all except the Sun and the Moon, which are also known as the two luminaries. Like all planetary transits in astrology, Mercury retrograde will only affect you if these signs, planets, and degrees are activated in your personal horoscope. It can be a confusing and frustrating time for some, but Mercury retrograde is something like the seasons of weather. Look at a normal Mercury retro cycle, similar to a sprinkling of rain. It can be a little annoying, but that's about it. Now, I'm going to add in here for 2018, it was an exceptional year where Mercury retrograde was adversely influenced by a lot of negative energy. Mars was retrograde, Venus retrograde, eclipse points, and challenging aspects of Uranus and the nodes. In comparison, an eclipse would be compared to a powerful storm system. You can see Mercury retro is normally really nothing to freak out about. It is what it is, matter of fact. Each time Mercury goes retrograde through a star sign, it'll influence us with the characteristics of that zodiac sign as well. For instance, when Mercury is retrograde in Gemini or Virgo, it affects our speech more so than other times, communications, and generally makes people more critical than at other times. Check out the link below to see how the current Mercury retrograde will affect your sun sign. Do you have a special question about your future? Ask me a question starting at $25 for a detailed answer, approximately 800 to 1200 words written by me and my words. Check out the link below.